Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today, there's been some news and one of the stocks that I'm tracking. The stock is Goev. It didn't have a great earnings report, but it's bouncing off its lows right now. You can see there's an unusual options activity. I don't know about that. I haven't seen that yet. But let's look at the chart. It's really tanking right now. It was below. It was close to $8. Um, so you can see when it came public, it was about $10. So it's actually below now where it came public. So I'm going to take this opportunity to pick up a couple shares. Trade. I'm just going to buy 200 shares, 300 shares, 300 shares. I'm going to try to get it at a good price. So, alright. Actually, I want to go 500 shares. Let's go in. If we're going, let's do it. Then I'll show you why. Make sure it executed. Didn't execute. What happened here? Oh, it's the wrong account. The wrong account. Sorry about that. Let's look at the orders. It didn't execute. Yep, prices. Interesting. I don't know why it's not executing. Usually it's... Oh, okay, it opened. It's a filled order. Okay, I got it at 9:32. Perfect. So let's go look at it now. Alright, there it is. Goev. 500 shares. At basically less than it came out of the IPO SPAC merger thing. So now I'm going to show you exactly why I'm doing this. Let's go back to the quotes. I don't have it on my list yet. I'm going to have to add it. Let's go to the news. I guess there's unusual options activities. Okay, they downgrade CANOO to neutral and lowers the price target to $12. Well, from 30. Okay, well, I just bought it at 9, a little over 9, so I already made money. If it goes to 12, that's cool. I'm good with that. But it's a long-term hold. Okay, they lowered their price target to 18. Okay, big deal. That's double my money. Oh, I'll take it. Alright, see, this is why it's tanking today. Okay, they got the earnings call last night. They only lost 8 cents a share, beating the street's estimate of 14 cents a share. So, okay, yeah, that's a good reason to destroy the stock, because it beat estimates. Yeah, that's a great idea. Now, I'm a little disappointed with news on this platform. This is the TradeStation platform. Went out, and I haven't looked at it here yet, but interesting. So, okay, it's just telling me, okay, great. Okay, so, hold on a second. Okay, so here we go. We're in the Yahoo app, which I use for just like a little bit of daily news, and I have some tracking here, just so it's quick and easy, so I don't have to log into anything. Alright. Here is what I was looking at earlier, I believe. Alright, goes through some of the things that it's done. Alright. a great company. I like it. All right. Okay. Globally, 1.5 billion light vehicles, believe 80% will be replaced by EVs over the next 4 to 5 car generations. Yep. So over the next 30 years, the electrification of the fleets of the world's automobiles is going to take place. Same line Tesla gives. So that's good, right? Here's a bunch of highlights. A lot of good stuff it did, right? Unveiled multi-purpose delivery vehicle, $33,000, which is actually pretty cheap. All right, they're fulfilling the mission to bring EVs to everyone. Yeah, blah blah blah. They have 48 patents, filings, and design registrations. Okay, that is insane. They got 48 patents. That alone is worth $10 a share at least. I mean, the intellectual property they could just sell off, and they could sell it to like Tesla or one of these other EV manufacturers. They could license it. But I mean, here we go. Completed build of 32 electric vehicles, including 13 drivable prototypes. Now conducting validation and real-world endurance testing. So this is a good deal. So they're just getting started, right? They're doing R&D. They're doing prototypes. They're burning cash, but they're not burning cash as fast as they were, right? They even conducted 70 simulated crashes. All right, good. They've got cash and equivalents of $702.4 million as of December. Pretty good. All right, so they got a loss they're operating at. It's a good deal. Here's the net loss. Okay. So this is all good news. I'm not really seeing a lot of bad news yet. And I mean, I looked at this before I made the decision to buy, but the stock's bouncing off the low. So I wanted to get in right away. So that's why I did the buy first, and then we're going through this information at the end. So it says about CANOO, yeah, breakthrough electrical vehicles, reinvented auto landscape, okay, 400 employees, blah, blah, blah. Okay, yeah, a bunch of gobbledygook here. Let's get to the statements. This is the important stuff here. So you can see current assets they've got on hand. Okay, that's good. So just looking at the statement, it looks like they have some cash on hand. They got liabilities. They have leases. Long-term debt is not very high. So yeah, I mean, I don't see a really good reason why not to own this stock right now at this price. The stock has got killed for various reasons. I know Tesla's gone down. All the EVs are going down. And this is a good point for entry for me, at least for this stock. I'm keeping an eye on a couple other ones as well. XL is one of them that I like. I know Ride has had some bad publicity, Lordstown, but I really love the idea. I'll go into this in another video. Lordstown's awesome because they're taking old facilities and reinvigorating them. So I'll talk about that in another video when I acquire those guys. As soon as they drop to a point where I think it's reasonable. Alright guys, anyway. If you guys want to see the rest of the statement, feel free to go check it out. It's all online. 10K will probably be out with earnings released. I mean, this is at least part of it. And it's kind of cool that Yahoo has this, but TradeStation doesn't. Okay, there's something wrong with that. Come on, TradeStation, step up your game. All right, I know you're not a news platform or anything like that, or research, but still should have some basic information. So you can see their losses have been decreasing. The year ended, it increased for 2020. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on. They only have a limited amount of cash. They can do some more fundraising if they need to. But yeah, you never know what's going to happen here. But this is a good company. These statements look really good. So anyway, it's not, like I said before, I'm not an investment advisor. Don't take my advice. I'm just some guy on the internet. But I really like this company, right? So, all right, guys. Check these guys out. See if it's worth a try. Thanks for watching.